Why use yeast to make puff puff and wait for long when you can use yogurt instead and have it in minutes? Let me show you how. Now you'll be needing some flour. I'm using self-rising flour. Then you need some yogurt, and then you also need sugar, and then you're going to need a pinch of salt and also some nutmeg or cinnamon powder. In your mixing bowl, you will go in with your flour, and then you're going to go in with the sugar, and you will also add in your nutmeg and the pinch of salt. Stir until everything comes together beautifully. Welcome to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. My returning subscribers, God bless you for your support. I do not take that for granted. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate that. Now, once I'm done mixing everything, I will go ahead with my yogurt, rinse the bowl off, and add in the liquid. Now, don't add more liquid in this apart from that liquid. Then I'm going to make sure I mix this until I get a very stretchy batter. Just this way. Keep on mixing. Take your time and mix that, and until you get this stretchy batter like that. Scrape the side of the bowl, and you're going to cover that and then let it sit in just any area that's a bit warm for 5 minutes while your oil is heating up. Now 5 minutes later, you should come back and then see this, and wash up your hands, scoop the butter in your hand, and then pinch it with your thumb and your pointer, just that way. So that is the same thing you're going to do into the pan. I will keep repeating so that you will learn that. Pinch it in and in. That will give you a very good shape for your yogurt puff puff or any puff puff that you're making. Now begin to flip it from time to time, just this way. I'll continue doing that until it is golden brown. I don't want it to fry and be golden brown on the other side while the other side is still white. No, the remaining batter, cover it so that it will not get too dry. Now keep on flipping it from time to time this way, and then in about 5 to 6 minutes you should have this golden brown puff puff. Take them out and put them in a strainer, and then let the paper towel soak up that excess oil that comes from it. I am going to repeat the process with the remaining batter until everything is all done, and then it will be time to enjoy our puff puff. Just a quick reminder, if you haven't subscribed, click that red button and subscribe. It is totally free, and turn on your notification bell. Let us keep growing together, and anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Share with your friends and your loved ones, and I will really appreciate that. Let me know if you'll be trying this out and how it was for you when you tried it out. Now I finished frying everything, and this is the delicious bowl of puff puff that I have, and time to just serve this delicious goodness. Everyone in my house enjoyed this. It tasted so good, and now we prefer this than the yeast puff puff. And I know that if you try this, you're going to love this more than the yeast puff puff. Trust me when I said that it's so delicious. Now I open up, and this is what we have. Can you see it's fluffier than even the yeast puff puff and looks so good. It tasted so good with a little bit of sourness in it because I use Greek yogurt. And here we go. Just serve this as a starter or even to your guests, and they're going to love and love and love it. Look at this. My kids were already standing by the corner waiting for me to finish this video because they couldn't even wait for that long, and they're all over me. I mean, it was so delicious. You can do this and sell it as well. Just calculate all the cost and then make this and sell it. It's going to be sold out in minutes because everyone will love this. And yeah, look at that. It didn't even soak a lot of oil. And with that, we've come to the end of today's recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.